If your RAID reports battery warnings or disabled cache, follow this quick fix. Safety first. Power down, unplug the server, and ground with a wrist strap. Gather a Phillips screwdriver, anti-static strap, and replacement battery. Captions will guide you. Open the chassis, locate the RAID card, and remove its retention screws carefully. Inspect the battery pack on the card and note its orientation and connectors. Release the retaining clip and gently lift the battery straight out of its socket. Insert the new battery, matching orientation, and press until it clicks securely. Reseat the RAID card, replace the bracket, and tighten screws evenly. Reconnect power, boot the machine, and enter the RAID utility to check status. Verify the battery reads healthy, the cache re-enables, and no warnings remain. Compare before and after, warning indicators cleared and performance restored. Dispose of the old battery properly and contact certified service if unsure.